Do you ever find yourself struggling with persistent aches, joint stiffness, or a general feeling of heaviness that just won't seem to quit? You're stretching, you're getting treatment, but the pain lingers. What if the answer isn't in your movements, but right on your plate? Hi, I'm Dr. Madison Park, licensed acupuncturist. We're going to reveal the profound connection between your diet and your pain through the lens of traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, focusing on one major culprit, dampness. But first, take just a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If this information helps you reclaim a pain-free life, please consider hitting the thanks button to donate. What is dampness? The body's internal sludge in Western terms. You might think of chronic inflammation, but in TCM, we call this persistent stagnation dampness. Imagine your body's systems, your circulation, your muscles, your digestion, flowing smoothly like a clear stream. Dampness is when that stream becomes sluggish, sticky, and murky. It's a heavy, sticky, pathogenic byproduct that clogs your system, impedes proper energy flow, or qi flow, and manifests as physical discomfort and pain. It's truly like an internal sludge that weighs you down. Let's review 4 food habits that create dampness. When your body struggles to process food cleanly, the undigested remnants start to build up, creating sticky dampness. These 4 food habits are the most notorious culprits. The first being excessive cold or raw foods. A diet that's heavy in cold drinks or too many raw salads, especially if you already have a sensitive constitution, can literally dampen your digestive fire, making processing much harder. The second being greasy, oily, or fried foods. These foods are heavy and extremely difficult to digest, leaving behind dense, sticky residues that immediately convert into dampness. The third being overconsumption of sugary foods and refined carbs. Those sweets, white bread, and pastries create an overload on the digestive organs. These organs struggle to process this excess, fostering inflammation and dampness. And the fourth being dairy products. For the majority, dairy is inherently dampening. It easily contributes to feelings of heaviness and sluggishness. Before your chronic pain fully sets in, your body often gives you subtle clues that dampness is accumulating. Don't ignore these early warning signs. 1. Feelings of heaviness, especially in your limbs or your head. 2. Persistent fatigue or sluggishness, feeling tired even after a full night's rest. 3. Brain fog, difficulty concentrating or feeling mentally cloudy. 4. Digestive issues, including bloating, loose stools, or sticky bowel movements. And 5. Swelling or edema, noticeable puffiness in the abdomen or the extremities. If any of these symptoms sound familiar, your diet is likely contributing to your pain by creating this damp and sticky environment. Understanding what dampness is the critical first step, but the next step is learning how to clear it out. The key to preventing and resolving dampness lies in an organ system called the spleen in TCM. The spleen governs transformation and transportation. It's essentially your metabolic powerhouse. If the spleen is weak, it struggles to process the food you eat, leading to the production of dampness. In our next video, we'll break down exactly how the spleen plays a secret but critical role in your chronic pain and show you simple ways to strengthen it and clear out the sludge. We hope this sheds some light on why your pain might be so stubborn. Start observing your diet. Which of these dampening food habits do you participate in the most often? Let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate the support. I am Dr. Madison Park, Doctor of Acupuncture and Chinese Herbal Medicine.